All right, geometry class, welcome. Today I will introduce you the trigonometric radius. I mean a sine, cosine, and tangent. Okay, to see those kind of problems, start with the first problem. Find the sine of angle 8. This angle we have to find the sine. Well, I mean the sine. As you are able to write this way is also as to short word. So we are talking about of a right triangle. Okay, this is one thing. So this is a radio a sine. So the sine is equals when you talk about is equals opposite side. When you have opposite side divided by the length of the hypotenuse. So in this case, in our problem, we are talking about the angle 8. So the opposite side of this angle is CB, all right? And then the hypotenuse is the side opposite to the right angle. This is the right angle. This is the hypotenuse. Okay. So this is the sign, the definition of the sign in a right when we are talking about the right angle. Okay, let's go to then trying to find the sine of the angle A. Okay, first of all, we have to take the formula for the sine of angle 8 and plug it in the relevant sides lengths. All right, so then the first step, sine of angle 8 is equals first step, like I told you, choose the opposite side. Right, opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Okay, this is definition of the sine. Definition of sine. Correct. Okay. The next step, just write there the letters. The opposite, where is the opposite side? Opposite side in this example is BC. We have to write here BC. BC divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. AC. All right. So this is substitute here. This step is substitute. Substitute or opposite. This opposite is BC and adjacent. No, I mean hypotenuse and hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is equals AC. AC as sides, right? So next step, just give me the values. How much is it? Give me the values right now is 12 divided by 13. So this step is a plug in BC equals 12 and AC equals 13. Right? So our conclusion in this problem is sine of angle 8 is equals 12 divided by 30. Right? This is our answer. Okay, this is the sine. All right. So let's go and then try to, let me show you another different problem, okay? this is the sine. Now let's find the cosine. Okay, find the cosine of let's angle T. Let's make the right triangle. The right triangle is in this way. Let me make a picture of the triangle. It will be our triangle, okay, right here. And let's give it the values. This is S, and then this side is T, and this is U. And then the side, this is the right angle. It will be the right angle. Here is equals 24, and then 10 and 26. All right, you have all values there. So first step, remember the cosine. Let me show you what is the definition of the cosine. The definition of the cosine, cosine is like cos. This is adjacent mean is adjacent this way, divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. So this is adjacent. Remember the other one, the sine, the sine was opposite. Now it's adjacent. This adjacent leg. Adjacent. For instance, we are talking about the T. Where is the T? This is T. The adjacent side is this one, is T, and then the hypotenuse is 26. I mean 3 T and U. TU is this side is a hypotenuse. This is a definition of the cosine. Let's go and then solve a problem. First step, cos angle T. So write the definition that I told you. It's adjacent. Just write adjacent leg divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Okay, this is definition. This is called the of cosine. All right. So next step, substitute the letters. Here the adjacent side is ST. The hypotenuse is TU. So here we call substitute here. Substitute here adjacent equals ST and hypotenuse is equals TU. All right. Next step. Here is very simple. Just we have to. It's very important class in geometry for another class too. It is important understand the trigonometric radius. Okay, very important. So this is the base. It's very basic. This class. So now very simple. See, just give it the values. How much is ST? It's 10, right? How much is TU? TU is 26. See. This is here plug. This called this step plug in ST equals 10 and TU equals 26. See, it's very step. Now you are able to simplify. You simplify here and I have both number divided by both number by 2. This is equals 5 and then 13. So this step simplify. We simplify right there. So our conclusion is already done. So cos of angle T is equals 530. See, that's the cosine. Easy, right? No problem. Let's go and then let's see the tangent. Tangent. The region tangent. Let me make a picture about some triangle. I want to make a picture about another triangle right here. To see the tangent. That's my triangle. I'm going to give it letters. Here is W, and then it's X, and then here just write it UV, BW. And then this is this angle is a right angle, and then the values 15, and then here let's give it 8, and then the hypotenuse 70. All right, this is our triangle. So definition of tangent is a tangent. It says the definition. You write it. You are able to write tan, just like this. This is equals. Here will be opposite. Opposite is opposite side. Opposite day. Leg like opposite here, and then but adjacent leg, adjacent. Just this is the definition. I don't wanna you wanna see the triangle when we're talking about before. I didn't the triangle, the picture, but you have a right triangle. We're talking about, I told you the right triangle. It's let me show in this, but it's the same for everything. Okay, this is X, for instance. This is the right triangle, angle right here, and then you write tan of angle X. This is equals opposite divided by adjacent. So this is our concept. Okay, for tangent. The same thing for the other radius. Okay, let's solve our problem here then. So the first step is just write, remember the definition, tan we're talking about. Here let's find the tan. Let me write the problem. Yeah, because we're going to find the tan. Just write the problem here. Find the tangent. So see, find the tangent of which angle? Okay, of angle UV, this one. All right. So now we are ready, because you are able to find the tangent this angle X or the angle UV. Yeah, both. So in this case, UV. Choose right tan of angle UV. So just write the definition. Where is the definition? Opposite and divided by adjacent. Okay, this is a definition of tangent. Okay, step is very important, right? Step by step. Okay, let's substitute with the variables or the letters. So what is the opposite? We are talking about this angle, the opposite side of B is this one, WX. So WX. And adjacent sides. What is the adjacent sides? Is this one, because it's hypotenuse, right? So then it's W or BW, right? This is a step called substitute. Substitute opposite positive equals WX, and adjacent equals BW. Alright, this is the step. Next step, just give it the values. How much is WX? WX is 50. Okay, and then how much is BW is 8. So this step is plug in WX equals 15 and BW equals 8, right? So it's very clear. Sometimes geometry is heavy for high school students. They always so worry, but I am trying to do my class easy, right? Easy to understand, right? So that's it. We already finished it, no? So our conclusion for our class today is is a tan of angle B or UV B is equals this number, okay? 15 divided by 15.8. 15.8. This is our conclusion to our class, geometry class for high school. All right, you discover the power of the mathematics, unleash your infinity potential.